I'm about to share the exact step-by-step process I used to get more clients on LinkedIn using content. But listen, just posting content on LinkedIn isn't enough. A couple of years ago, you could post a poll asking if people needed help and it would go viral. But those days are gone. LinkedIn now has over 1 billion users and the competition is fierce. So how do you stand out? Stick with me until the end of this video and I will reveal the best writing framework everyone on LinkedIn is raving about. Step 1. Finding a topic. Starting a post from scratch can feel impossible, but here's how to make it simple. Write down a topic you are passionate about. Success, remote work, lead generation, entrepreneurship, deep work, anything you like. Pick one topic and brainstorm 3 sub-points you want to address. Now, here's the hack. Don't reinvent the wheel. Use tools like Tapio or Tweet Hunter to find proven content that's already performing well. Tweet Hunter is designed for Twitter but works wonders for LinkedIn because of Twitter's vast content base. Download the free Chrome extension, set for high-performing posts and look for gold. Tapio is LinkedIn specific. Log in, search for your topic or keyword and get instant access to top-performing posts. By using these tools, you will save hours and unlock a treasure trove of inspiration. The 3 goals of content. When creating content, always aim to 1. Educate, 2. Inspire, and 3. Entertain. For example, if you are tackling deep work and want to write on an educational post, focus on posts that begin with how to or X steps to. These types of posts provide actionable value and grab attention fast. Crafting LinkedIn content that works. Once you've done your research, it's time to create your own magic. Start with a catchy hook, use concise bullet points, end with a clear call to action. Pro tip: you are emulating, not copying. Use the structure of successful posts, but infuse your own unique ideas and personality. As Tony Bennett famously said, if you steal from one person, you're a thief. And if you steal from everyone, that's research. Finding and engaging your ideal audience. Here's the key to turning posts into leads. Don't post and ghost. Engage with your audience. Your ideal client persona (ICP) is likely already engaging with your content. If someone in your ICP comments on your post, don't just let it slide. Start a conversation. Send a personalized connection request. Be human. With all the AI tools out there, genuine interactions stand out. For example, "Hey Emmanuel, thanks for commenting on my post. Are you into this topic too?" Or, "Hi Shade, I saw your comments. How's LinkedIn treating you this year?" Keep it warm and approachable. If they reply, they are interested in something, your offer, your expertise, or simply you. The Secret Slave Framework. Here's the framework I use to write most of my posts, and it works like magic. S stands for start with a story. Grab their attention with something relatable or intriguing. L, share a lesson. Why is this important? And what can your audience learn? A, provide actionable advice. Give them something they can implement immediately. Why? End with you or a PS. Ask a question, leave a thoughtful note, or make your audience feel heard. This framework works because it hits all the right notes. Inspiration at the start, education in the middle, entertainment woven throughout. Why does this work? When you combine great content with engagement, you create a snowball effect. Your post will gain traction and your audience will naturally start seeing you as an authority. Even if you are starting from zero, this process sets you up for success. Worst case, you get a few likes and make some connections. Best case, you generate leads, build relationships, and create massive opportunities. So, kings and queens, I hope this helps you to crush it on LinkedIn. Let's see you slay.